Okay. So we have found the equation. Now we will draw it. We will sketch the graph. This is along x-axis. Center at the origin. Center at the origin. So center will be, this is the center. Center at origin. Then foci plus minus 1 comma 0. So here will be plus minus 1 comma 0. One focus will be there. 1 comma 0. The other will be over there. At the same distance from the center. F dash minus 1 comma 0. Then the vertices 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. One vertex will be over there. 2 comma 0. One vertex will be over there. B dash minus 2 comma 0. So that therefore this is on the x-axis. So C, B will be equal to plus minus root 3. So it will be over there. 1 will be over there. 0 comma root 3 and 1 will be over there at the same distance from the center. 0 comma minus root 3. This is the value of B. So now it will be from, it will pass through the vertex. So this is the sketch of the ellipse. This is the sketch of the ellipse. In the same way, we will do the other questions. That was question number 18. Now we will do question number 20. Foci 0, comma plus minus 2, major axis, major axis 6. Question number 20. Understood this question? Anything do you want to ask? Zishan Ahmed Khan 63350. Yes, student, anything do you want to ask?
No, sir, done.
Okay. Zishan 633. Now, question number 20. Foci at 0, comma plus minus 2. 0, comma plus minus 2 means one is 0, comma 2, the other focus is 0, comma minus 2. In the previous question, I told you. and the major axis is 6. Muhammad Kashan. So focus is 0 comma plus minus 2. That means we will find the center. First of all, we'll find the center. So center will be equal to, we will take the midpoint of the foci or midpoint of the vertices. This is the center. So there are the two foci. One focus will be 0 comma 2. The other is f dash 0 comma minus 2. Plus minus 2, one will be plus 2. Once we will take plus 2 and once we will take minus 2. So center will be the midpoint of the foci or the vertices. Vertices are not given, so we will find with the foci. So 0 plus 0 upon 2 and 2 minus 2 upon 2. This is 0 plus 0, sir. 0 plus 0 upon 2, 2 minus 2 upon 2. So it will become 0 upon 2. This is 0 upon 2 will be 0, 0. So center will become 0, 0. Mustafa Shahid, 64242. Okay. So center will become 0, 0. Now this is the focus is on the y-axis, on the y-coordinate. Focus is on the y-coordinate. Therefore, the major axis along y-axis. Foci on the y-axis. Therefore, major axis along y-axis. So we found the center, we found the major axis along y-axis. Now the other thing, major axis is 6. So major axis, last time I told you 2a is the major axis. Major axis is 2a. A is the semi-major axis and double of that one is the major axis. So 2a is equal to 6. So a will become 3. 6 upon 2 will be 3. A will become 3. And this is from center to the focus. The distance from center to the focus is called C. So this is 0 to 0 will be 0, nothing. 0 to plus minus 2 will be plus minus 2. So C square, C will be equal to plus minus 2. Therefore, C square is equal to 4. C square is equal to 4. Now we will find B. I told you the relation. C square is equal to A square minus B square. Put the values. C square is equal to 4. Equal to A square will be 3. Square will be 9. A is 3. So A square will be 9. 9 minus B square. B square is unknown. C square. C is equal to plus minus 2 from center to the focus. Distance is called C. So C square 0 to plus minus 2 will be plus minus 2. So C is plus minus 2. C square will be 4. C square is equal to A square minus B square is the relation between C, A and B. So C square is equal to 4. A square is equal to 9 and minus B square. So B square will become plus b square, 4 will be shifted over there, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So b will become plus minus root 5. Now the major axis was along y axis. So a square will become under the y square. So x minus 0 whole square upon b square. Because major axis is along y axis, so a square will become under y square. And b square will become under x square. So it will be 5 plus y minus 0 whole square upon a square, that is 9. The larger number will be under y because the major axis along y axis, and it will become equal to 1. So the answer is x square upon 5 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. So this is the required equation. That can also be changed if we remove the fraction. Take the LCM of 9 and 5 will be 45. Multiply each and every number by 45. So we will get the scalar without fraction. Multiply by 45. So 45 multiplied by x square upon 5 plus 45 multiplied by y square upon 9. 45 multiplied by 1. Each and every term is multiplied by 45. 45 is the LCM of the denominators. So it will become 9x square. It will become 5y square equal to 45. This is also the equation. We can write the equation. So it will become 9x square plus 5y square equal to 45. The equation can be written in this form also. In this form or in this form. Both are correct. This one, 9x square plus 5y square equal to 45, or x square upon 5 plus y square upon 9 equal to 1. It can be written in both the ways. So, Suhebuddin 62094 is coming after 1.5 session. Sayyid Muhammad Usman 63626. Okay. Then the next question. It was the question. So have you understood this question? Anything you not understood? Okay. So we'll do the next question. Mustafa Shahid.
सर ड्रॉ नहीं कर रहे
Question number 22. Focus at 0 comma plus minus 2 and minor axis 4. So minor axis 4, that means 2b equal to 4. If it is called semi minor axis, that means b equal to, but it is given minor axis, that means 2b equal to 4. Minor axis is 4, that means 2b equal to 4. Question number 22. Foci, yes, foci at 0 comma plus minus 2. Major axis, sorry, minor axis 4. 8. Yes, 4. Right. Minor axis is 4. So first of all, we will find the center. Center is the midpoint of the two foci or the two vertices. So foci 0 comma plus minus 2. So one focus will be 0 comma 2. The other focus at dash 0 comma minus 2. So first of all, we find the center. Center will be 0 plus 0 upon 2, 2 minus 2 upon 2. It will become 0 comma 0. Center became 0 comma 0. Minor axis. So this center, this foci is on the y. This is 0 0. So which coordinates change in the focus and the center? This is 0. This is also 0. The x coordinate is 0 here. In the center, the x coordinate in the foci is also 0. So no change. Y coordinate is 0 in the center and y coordinate is plus minus 2 on the focus. One is plus 2, the other on the other side will be minus 2. So that means the y coordinate is changed. When the y coordinate is changed, therefore the major axis along y axis. So from center and the focus, this y coordinate is changed. X is same, no change. So y coordinate is changed, therefore the major axis along y axis. Minor axis is 4. So 2b is equal to 4. So b will become 2. B will become 2. So C is the distance from center to the focus. So this is 0, no change. This is 0, this is plus minus 2. So C will become plus minus 2. So B square will become 4 and C square will become 4. C square is also became 4. So now we'll find A square. The relation between A square and B square and C square, A square minus B square is equal to C square. This is the formula. Put the values. A square is to be known. Minus B square is 4. C square is also 4. So A square will become 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So A will become plus minus root 8. Now write the formula. X minus 0 whole square upon plus y minus 0 the center coordinate of square upon equal to 1. Now the major axis along y axis, so a square will be written under the y axis. A square is 8. A square is 4 plus 4, 8. So a square will be written under the y square. It will become 8. It will become 8. And then b square is this one 4. It will be written under x square. So we will write x minus 0 whole square upon, leave the blank, y minus 0 whole square upon, leave the blank, equal to 1. Now major axis along y axis. So a square will be written under y, and the b square will be written, this is b square 4, it will be written under x. So final answer will become x square upon 4 plus y square upon 8 equal to 1. This is the answer. Now how to draw? This is along y axis. It will be this way. This is x. This is y. This is the sketch. Center 0 0 here. Focus, one focus will be there. 0 comma 2, one focus will be there. F dash 0 comma minus 2, one vertex will be there. A is under root plus minus under root 8, so it will become 0 comma under root 8, and one vertex will be over there, 0 comma minus under root 8. This is from center to A. This is from center to vertex will be A. This is positive A, here will be negative. Center to focus will be C. Here will be positive C, here will be negative C. And here will be the value of B. If you want to write over there, but not necessary, write the value of there. Here on the x coordinate is changed from 0 to x. So C, this is B. So B we found 2. So it will be 0 2 plus 2. So 2 comma 0, and here minus 2 comma 0. Minor axis, end of the minor axis. Danial Humayun Mirza 64169. Okay, students. Anything do you want to understand? Not understood? Okay. Okay, Abdullah Ali. Thank you. Now, Now a question number 25. Center at the origin, one vertex is 0, comma 8, one focus at 0, comma minus 5. Question number 25. Question number 25. Center at origin. Origin means 0, comma 0. I am writing 0, comma 0. Nabil Ahmed 61522. Okay. So center at origin, one vertex at 0, comma 8. One focus at 0, comma minus 5. Find the equation. So from center to the vertex is A. Find the distance from center to the vertex. The x coordinate is same 0 and the y coordinate is changed from 0 to 8. So therefore the distance from 0 to 8 will be A. Will be the distance between the center and the focus. Therefore A is 8. A is 8. From center to the vertex, which is 0 to 0, no change, no distance, 0 distance, 0 to 8 will be 8 distance. So A is 8. 0 to center to the vertex is called A. In the same way, center to the focus, that is called C. C will be equal to 0 to 0, no change, 0 to minus 5 is minus 5. So distance from center to the focus will be is called C. Center to the focus is C. Center to the vertex is A. So this is A, this is C. So A we will find, and the axis, center is at origin, vertex at the x coordinate, sorry, y coordinate, focus is also at the y coordinate. X coordinate is remain as it is in vertex and the focus as the center. But the vertex and focus are being, x coordinate are being changed of the center. This is 0, this is 8. So A will become 8, C will become minus 5. So it is on the y axis, y coordinates are being changed. X is remain as it is. So therefore, major axis along y axis. Now A is known, C is known, we will find B. So C square is equal to A square minus B square. Put the values, C square minus 5 square A square, 8 square minus B square. So B square will be shifted on the other side. Minus B square will become plus B square. Minus 5 whole square will come on the other side. 8 square is 64. Minus 5 square 25. 25 will be shifted on the other side. Minus 25. So B square will become 64 minus 25, 39. And B will become plus minus root 39. Now we'll find the equation. X square, x minus 0, x minus the x coordinate of the center 0 whole square upon leave blank plus y minus the y coordinate of the center 0 whole square upon blank equal to 1. Now measure axis along y axis. So a square will be written under y square. So 8 square will be written under y. A is 8. So a square is equal to 64. So a square will be written under y square because the y major axis along y axis. So under y square 64 and b square will be written under x square 39. So this is the answer. X minus 0 whole square will become x square upon 39 plus y square upon 64 equal to 1. If you want to draw along y-axis, major axis along y-axis, center is 0, so this is the center. Along y-axis है तो इसको ऐसे बनाएंगे. यहाँ एक फोकस आ जाएगा पॉजिटिव वाला या नेगेटिव वाला, यहाँ वर्टेक्स आ जाएगा. दिस इज एफ डैश, दिस इज वी, दिस इज वी डैश. एफ क्या होगा? एफ विल बी द फोकस. One will be 0, minus 5. This is 0, minus 5. So that will be इतना ही फासले पर ऊपर हो जाएगा 0, 5. One vertex was 0, 8. This is positive 0, 8. So the other vertex will be at the same distance from the center 0, minus 8. And here the end of the minor axis, this is on the x-axis. So xc की value, this is the b is plus minus under root 39. So this is under root 39, 0. This is on the x-axis, so x coordinate will be changed. And here minus under root 39, 0. This is the end point of the minor axis. So in this is the way how to do the question. question number. Understood this question?